danger of AI is much greater than the danger of nuclear warheads, by a lot.
Has anyone else noticed how fast AI is suddenly advancing? The advancements in artificial intelligence have been remarkable in recent years, and as AI becomes more advanced, the fear of what it could become has become real as well. From social experiments, music production, and military usage, we can all agree that AI is developing at an alarming rate. Hi, I'm Siah, and I make weekly commentary content on things that I find interesting myself. In today's video, we will discuss the dangers of AI and what it can do to the human.
Before they cause more harm to our planet, I for one am committed to doing so.
Deep learning is a type of machine learning that involves training neural networks with large amounts of data. It is called deep learning because the neural networks used in this type of learning are composed of multiple layers of artificial neurons, which can process and extract features from the data. The rise of deep learning has been made possible by several factors, including the availability of large amounts of data, powerful computing resources, and advances in algorithms and software tools. The ability to process large amounts of data is particularly important, as deep learning algorithms require massive data sets to learn effectively. One of the key advantages of deep learning is its ability to learn from unstructured data, such as images, video, and text. This has led to the development of deep learning models that can perform tasks such as image recognition, speech recognition, and natural language processing with remarkable accuracy. You don't believe me? Well, how does this look? If you didn't pay attention, the song in the background of the art that I just showed you was also AI generated. The rise of deep learning has also led to the development of AI systems that can mimic human behavior to an alarming degree. For example, AI chatbots can generate responses that are almost indistinguishable from those of a human. This has significant implications for how we interact with machines and how we trust the information we receive online. Overall, the rise of deep learning has been a major factor to rapid progress of AI in recent years, and it is likely to continue to drive advancements in the field for years to come. Some of those advancements notably being deepfakes. Another area of concern is AI's ability to create deepfakes, which are realistic videos of people saying or doing things that they never actually did. This technology can manipulate public opinion or even blackmail individuals.
Carnegie Mellon revealed software that accurately rendered not just facial features, but changing weather patterns and flowers in bloom.
Deepfakes can be incredibly convincing and can cause significant damage to individuals and society as a whole. While deepfakes have been used for entertainment purposes such as creating videos of celebrities or politicians, they also pose a serious threat to society. One of the most significant dangers of deepfakes is their potential to be used for misinformation and disinformation campaigns.
You blame me for interfering with your democracy, but I don't have to. You are doing it to yourself.
With the help of deepfakes, it is possible to manipulate public opinion by creating fake news stories, speeches, or interviews that appear to be authentic.
And what you see is not real.
This can have serious consequences for democratic institutions and can be used to undermine the credibility of individuals or organizations. Another danger of deepfakes is their potential to be used for harassment or blackmail. For example, deepfake videos have been created using the face of non-consenting individuals, causing significant harm to their reputation and mental health.
Deepfake images or altered photos of more than a dozen classmates to suggest they had engaged in sex.
It is essential to take steps to address this issue. This includes developing technologies to detect deepfakes, educating the public about the risks, and implementing legal and regulatory frameworks to address the use of deepfakes for malicious purposes. But what about military applications? Has it grown that advanced? Well, artificial intelligence is being increasingly used in the military for a variety of purposes, including intelligence gathering, surveillance, and decision-making. The use of AI in the military is driven by the desire to improve military effectiveness and efficiency, reduce human casualties, and gain a competitive advantage over potential adversaries.
I can't wait to go back home and see my mom.
One of the most significant areas of AI usage in the military is in intelligence gathering and analysis. AI algorithms can analyze large amounts of data from various sources, such as satellite imagery, social media, and sensor data, to identify potential threats, assess enemy movements, and make predictions about future actions. This information can be used to inform military strategy and decision-making. AI is also being used in military operations, such as unmanned vehicles, drones, and autonomous weapons systems. For example, drones equipped with AI algorithms can conduct surveillance missions, identify potential targets, and even carry out airstrikes without human intervention. This has the potential to reduce the risk of human casualties and increase the precision of military operations, but also has the chance to vastly increase the risk of human casualties as well. Imagine that it miscalculates and hits civilians. AI has the potential to automate many routine and repetitive tasks, which could lead to a job displacement. This includes jobs in industries such as manufacturing, transportation, and customer service, which can be replaced by robots or chatbots. However, the impact of AI on employment will depend on the specific tasks that can be automated and at the rate in which this automation occurs. On the other hand, AI is also creating new job opportunities, such as AI engineers, data analysts, and machine learning specialists. These jobs require skills that are high in demand, and there is a shortage of qualified professionals to fill them. AI also has the potential to drive economic growth by increasing productivity, reducing costs, and creating new business models. AI can also help businesses make better decisions by analyzing data and providing insights. However, there are concerns that the benefits of AI will not be distributed equally, and some sectors or regions may be left behind. There is also a risk that AI could increase income inequality, as highly skilled workers in AI-related fields are likely to earn high salaries, while low-skilled workers may lose their jobs to automation. The widespread adoption of AI could lead to a concentration of power and wealth in the hands of the few large companies that have the resources and the expertise to develop and deploy AI systems. This could lead to a lack of competition and innovation, which could harm the overall economy. It also poses challenges and risks that need to be carefully managed. But what's hard to manage nowadays is privacy. And AI has significant impacts on privacy, as it can collect and analyze vast amounts of data about individuals without their knowledge or consent. AI-powered systems are increasingly used to collect, store, and analyze personal data, including biometric data, location data, and online activity. This data can be used to create detailed profiles of individuals, including their interests, behaviors, and preferences. For example, AI algorithms can analyze a person's online activity and predict their political views or purchasing habits. These personal data collections can also be used for surveillance purposes, such as facial recognition technology used by law enforcement or monitoring employee activity in the workplace. AI-powered surveillance systems can collect and analyze large amounts of data in real time, raising concerns about privacy violations and the potential misuse of the data. Additionally, AI can also contribute to the spread of misinformation and manipulation of public opinion. For example, AI algorithms can be used to create and spread fake news, propaganda, and deepfakes, which can influence public perception and decision-making. To address these concerns, it is essential to implement strong privacy protections and regulations for the use of AI technology. This includes ensuring that individuals have control over their personal data, requiring transparency and accountability for the collection and use of the data, and implementing ethical standards for the development and deployment of AI systems. Now, what's wild, AI even extends to outside of that era, which, to give an example, AI can be used in various ways in music. From creating music to analyzing and organizing it. One way that AI can create music is by using generative models that are trained on existing music. These models can analyze patterns in music and generate new pieces that are similar in style and structure. For example, AI-powered music software can analyze a musician's style and create new pieces that are similar in genre, tempo, and instrumentation. Another way AI is used in music is for music analysis. Machine learning algorithms can analyze large amounts of music data and identify patterns and trends in the music, such as chord progressions, tempo changes, and melodic themes. This can be helpful for music producers and songwriters who want to better understand the structure and components of successful songs. AI can also be used to organize and recommend music to listeners. Music streaming services such as Spotify use AI algorithms to analyze users' listening habits and recommend new music that they are likely to enjoy based on their previous preferences. This can help artists reach new audiences by suggesting their music to listeners who have similar tastes. However, the use of AI in music also raises ethical concerns. For example, there are concerns about the potential for AI-generated music to replace human musicians, leading to job loss and reduction in creativity. Additionally, there are concerns about the ownership and copyright of AI-generated music, as it is unclear who owns the rights to the music created by machines. While AI has the potential to transform our world for the better, it's essential to recognize the potential risks and take steps to ensure that we use AI ethically and responsibly. The fear of what AI could become is real. This video script was made by AI. Are you ready for the change?